Hi there, and welcome to a new model overview of Honda's iconic motocross bike, the 2023 CRF450R. In both cases, the beauty is more than skin deep. Honda engineers have made numerous improvements to the chassis and motor, enhancing handling performance and improving corner exit acceleration. Based on the learnings of Team Honda HRC riders Chase Sexton and Ken Roczen, along with Tim Geiger from MXGP, the frame rigidity has been optimized by increasing the thickness of the material at the front joint as well as the upper shock mount. These changes enable freer functioning of the front and rear suspension, resulting in improved handling. To optimize chassis flex and enhance front-end traction, the engine hangers are now constructed of steel rather than aluminum. Because the frame rigidity optimization allows freer suspension movement, the shock spring has been switched to a stiffer rate without introducing harshness. The fork setting has been updated to match the changes to the new shock spring, ensuring good front-rear balance. These suspension updates make the CRF450R easier to ride, resulting in lower lap times. To achieve smoother power delivery, the shape of the intake port is now narrower, and there's a longer intake funnel. The throttle body diameter has also been reduced from 46mm to 44mm for smoother power delivery at low speeds. The cam profile has changed as well, further increasing torque. In addition, a new design and heat-treated aluminum body makes the muffler quieter and stronger without increasing weight. As you might expect, the 2023 CRF450R still carries many of the features that have established it as a top contender in its class. Honda's signature Unicam cylinder head contributes to strong, efficient power output, as do the downdraft intake system and centrally located exhaust port. A hydraulically actuated clutch and easily switchable ignition maps provide the rider with precise power delivery control, which translate to increased rear-wheel traction and lower lap times. Building on Honda's reputation for superior handling, engineers centralized and lowered weight wherever possible, resulting in precise cornering and high-speed stability with minimal squat under acceleration. A 49mm Showa coil spring fork and ProLink rear suspension system further enhance handling. The Rider Active design utilizes slim bodywork with smooth junctions between panels to facilitate seamless body movement during acceleration, braking, cornering, and jumping. As always with Honda Powersports products, this model also stands apart for its durability, quality, and reliability.